Hi friends, this is Vivek from my device info and in today's video I am unboxing Energizer lightning cable. This cable can be used to charge and synchronize your iOS devices easily, and apart from this, the cable can be used to charge either iPod, iPhone or iPad. As you can see that the packaging of the cable is good, and on the back side you can easily see the guide by which you can either how you can use it. The main highlight of this cable, apart from its uses, is it comes with 2-year warranty, and to get access to a cable you have to just cut the tape. Apart from this, at the top you will find two tabs, and then it's pretty easy to get access to the cable. That's the cable and lightning cable, and you can easily check out the build quality, and you can see the Energizer banding on the one, and you can easily just insert this one here, and either you can connect this micro USB slot with a power bank, the with your laptop. You can easily charge your iPad or either iPhone or iPod as mentioned on the image or the packaging of the Energizer lightning cable. Apart from this, with this cable you can also synchronize the data between your devices. For today this is all. We'll share a lot more about iOS accessories and other tutorials on our channel. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss upcoming videos. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video.